Alright, so hey, what's going on, you guys? This is Keen over at AskaJeeper, and today what we're going to be doing is teaching you how to install, first of all, we made a video teaching you how to install a thermostat. We're going to teach you how to modify it so you can get more cooling into your engine. But first we got to find a high flow thermostat. What we're going to be doing is actually boring out the T-stat and teaching you how to do that. I will explain all this in the next part of the video, but just stay tuned because I have to, we have to go to a couple different auto stores because I went to Napa and I asked them if they had a high flow thermostat 195, but they don't. So I'm going to try I'm going to try Pep Boys, and then we'll try Advanced, and then we'll do Parts Plus and see what they got. So. So basically what you're going to want to do is cut all this or grind all this excess metal up in here out. And so we're going to take, we have our air compressor and this tool, and then we're just going to bore it out, and we'll show you the results after that. So basically what we did is we just grinded out the T-stat. You saw earlier in the video how it was, when it was grinded down, it was had another ½ inch to it added of the part that we grinded out right there. So what this does, it just gives the extra flow to the engine. It keeps it at a good temperature because that cuts off a lot of the coolant that's coming in there, and it's not getting as much as it could. And so just a simple tip that you can do, simple trick, simple mod that you can do. All you have to do is just grind it out. Make sure you clean it out as well so you don't have any metal shavings in there when you put it back on. Make sure you have the sensors on, the hoses are tight, bolt it all back on. It's a pretty easy install, not too difficult. Get a new gasket And remember, when you pull this off, there will be a thermostat and a gasket down there, so don't forget to scrape off the gasket when you're down there. You'll see it. You want to scrape it off till you have bare metal, and then put on the T-stat housing, and then you'll be great. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let us know what you guys think about this kind of video. We're going to start doing this on Saturdays. It's a Saturday install series, I guess, and this was just something that we wanted to do as our first episode. So thank you so much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. We'll see you later. Bye.